Hello everyone, I am Nil Shah. Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Indian regions witness crippling cold and rains. Many parts of Rajasthan in India have begun to experience of winter chill with minimum temperature dropping 10-degree mark. One such city which also happened to be the coldest in India for past few days in Churu. Minimum temperatures have dropped further over Churu are settling at 4.1 degrees Celsius today, which is lowest of the season not only for Churu but for any other range in plains of India. Churu has been continuously recording lowest temperature pan India. If we talk about the last 4 days, the minimum started with 6.7 degrees Celsius on November 21, it dropped to 6.4 degrees Celsius on November 22, furthermore dropping to 5.3 degrees Celsius on November 23 and finally become 4.1 degrees Celsius today. The minimum have been plugging, making it the coldest city pan India on 4th consecutive day. This drop is due to no significant system present over northern parts. Clear sky condition and the cold wind from snow-clad mountain of western Himalaya blowing over the region. Moreover, as Churu's minimum has been seen below the -5 degree mark, this will amount to cold wave condition, making the entry of condition rather early. In the coming days, similar trend will continue in Churu, and while the temperature will not plunge further, marginal drop may be seen. All in all, minimum will be seen hanging around 4-5 degree for next few days until the end of month. Meanwhile, the city of Bengaluru has been seen light rainfall activity for past couple of days. In the last 24 hours from 8:30 am on Wednesday, Bengaluru saw 3 mm of rains. Now also the city is expected to continue seeing some light rainfall activity. These rainfall activity are attributed to the depression over Bay of Bengal, which had reduced to well-marked low pressure area for more becoming low pressure areas. Now the system is more cyclonic circulation and is moving westwards across the southern peninsula region. Thus, the southern parts of southern interior Karnataka, including Mysore, Mandya, Chamarajanagar and Bengaluru, have seen light rainfall activities. This light rain over Bengaluru as well as adjoining area may be seen today and tomorrow. As the remnant of system is moving across the region, by November 26, this rain will cease as the system will move farther away. That's all for now. For more news update, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather update like this, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for regular updates.